Alright, what's up everyone? For this week we're going to do a little more behind the scenes. Kirk is making her comeback this week from her concussion. She's currently outside measuring tires. After a couple weeks off, they're going to need some work, so she's busy doing her tires. I, on the other hand, am going to replace the bearings on this bad boy. Going to replace the rear bearings on the axle here. So we'll have a couple different things going on here, a couple shots of her doing tires, me doing bearings, and then obviously we'll get into race day. So yeah, like I said, this is her comeback from her concussion, so hopefully she has a good weekend. We'll see how it goes. So obviously the first thing you want to do here is mark where your hubs were so you get them back in the same place. After that, you take your snap ring pliers here and you take the snap rings off. To me, this is the most difficult part. Next is to remove your hubs. These are a 1/4 inch Allen. Don't lose the keyways. After that, you can start sliding your bearings off. I run these little axle collars on the right side to help keep it in place. Just loosen these bad boys up. That off. Then you can take these set screws out of your bearings. On the left side there's actually like a pull-on bolt and a hole in the axle to help you keep everything lined up, which is super nice, and it helps everything from shifting and rotating. This guy. And then to get the bearing out of the carrier, they have these little notches here. You just rotate it, get it lined up with those notches, and it pops right out. To come off. You got your new bearings. So this was the hole in the axle I was talking about for your left bearing. Obviously just put the bolt right in there and you're good to go. Oh shit. I'm an idiot and I forgot to put it back in the carrier here. Putting them in is the same as taking them out. You just line up the notches and it slides right in. Okay, now you can put your bolts in. For the axle collar here, try and keep it even on both sides. You don't want one side closed more than the other. It can be kind of difficult to do, but if you just go at them evenly, you can get it. And that's it. It's that easy. Just slide the hubs off, slide the old bearings out, put the new ones on. Now you can put your hubs on and you're good to go. You got some nice fresh bearings. Make sure they're good and tight. Then you can put your snap rings back on. Okay, that's it. New bearings on, ready to go back in the cart. Alright, so the axle back in the cart here, it's super easy to put it in. It basically self-aligns with these grooves. And then you have these caps that go over top. And then once again, this is just a 1/4 inch Allen and that's it. If you've done everything right and your bearings are in good, it should spin freely.
Yours are both at 34 and a half. Exactly.
Both at 34 and a half?
Yep.
Okay, that's fine.
This is 32 and 5/8. Or no. Yeah, 32 and 5/8, 32 and 11/16, 32 and 3/4, 32 and 7/8.
Okay.
This, 34, 33 and 3/4. They're all the fucking
same? Well, you need to grow them all.
But they all, this one is the 16th different. That's the only thing. The rest are identical. Every single one of them.
Gotta grow them.
You can have these.
Huh?
You could have those.
Okay. Okay.
I think I'm gonna leave one set alone.
Okay.
Because a 34 with a 32. I don't know.
Getting struggling. Perfect.